In Eclipse Global Hub, messaging is organized into two types: chats, group conversations; dialogues, direct, one-on-one messages. To keep everything structured, you can organize your chats using tags. Click the Settings icon. Select Create Workspace Tag. Enter a title for your tag. Assign at least one administrator to manage it. Click Create Tag. You can create as many tags as needed and arrange them in any order. The order you choose will automatically appear in the Chats section of the sidebar. Note: tags will only be visible in the sidebar if they contain at least one chat. To create a chat, click Create New Chat or the plus button. Choose the chat type: Public Chat, visible to all Workspace members; Private Chat, visible only to specific users you invite. Assign the chat to one or more tags. Click Create Chat. Your new chat is now ready. By combining chats with tags, you can structure your conversations clearly, group related discussions, ensure effective collaboration across your team.